At the top spot is KB216 from the world-renowned brand Dell. What are the offerings for you? It is conventional looking and full-sized. The only keyboard in the category with the option of spill resistance. So if you are the careless kinds who thinks that spilling drinks while using a keyboard is their godly right, then go with this one without a worry. It is equipped with plunger keys, which are super silent. Multimedia keys up there is a blessing in disguise. This one is an Amazon choice product that costs you about 500 rupees. What a deal, right? The con. It has got a design that leaves you wanting for more, right? Do you wish to grab your favorite keyboard at a super discounted price? Then we've got you covered. Best Buy links have been served up for you in the description. To read the review in extensive detail in your preferred Bharatiya language such as Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali, Tamil, and many more, visit our website tinyreview.in. So that's about it.